Hello you guys. I'm having issues with Parkitect. First I bought it on Good Old Games and it worked fine, really good, just the way it should. Then I had some problems with my computer and I had to reboot my entire computer. And then I started to play it again and these problems appeared. So I decided to buy a new game on Steam and the problems are still there. I'm not sure there's a save file malfunction thing. I don't know. But I figure, okay, I'm gonna ask you guys and see if anyone has discovered anything like this before. So I've tried various versions how to do this and the same problems remain even if I go into the file where the saved file of Parkitect and open it there outside of Steam is still the same problem. I go to, first thing first, if I go to Sandbox and press Load Park, you can see, yeah, tons of different parks that I've already completed. So the old files from Good Old Games are still here. Great. I go to Campaign and I press the bottom there. And as you can see, I've only got access to 2 parks. The campaign maps here is locked, even though I've already bought the DLCs and everything. I press the bottom. Nothing is happening. The cursor is working, but nothing is happening here. I go to credits. I escape. I've done this a tons of times, so I can show you guys just a quick walkthrough. Campaign again. And now I can press buttons here. Awesome. But, however, as you can see, these clouds are concealing, and every time I finish a place, the clouds will disappear, showing more of the stages. However, these stages or these parks that are hidden behind the clouds are still there, and I can prove that by doing like this. Sandbox, load park, I just pick a random park here. I don't know what that is, but we'll take that. I think it's actually the last park that I was working on. I'm pretty sure it is. And I go back, quit, yes. I'm pretty sure. That's odd. It worked the last time. Oh, that's strange. If I do this again then, and load park sheer cliffs, because then it worked at that moment. Okay, this is appearing. I guess it's because I don't know. Anyways, I go here, quit, yes. It freezes for a bit, I think. There we go, there we are. And as you can see, now it's all over the place here. That's, let's see here. Here you can see the maps. They're still there, behind the clouds, and I can access them, of course, continue, but it's like behind the clouds and disappears again. I really don't get what's going on there. Quit. I guess the only thing I can do is to run it again with that the save files have been corrupted somehow, I guess. You can see now everything is open up, but it's like something is off with all this. Yeah, I can't access this place for some reason, and I'm pretty sure I finished that map. I can access that. It's like the map system doesn't really work. Yeah, anyways, I just wanted to show you guys. If you have any tip what's going on, please tell me. Bye.